with you. Most people dream of starting a business but never do. Why? They think capital, warehouses, or large teams are necessary. That's simply not true. If you've ever dreamed of running an online business with low investment, high flexibility, and unlimited earning potential, then you need to pay close attention. Today, we're diving deep into dropshipping, one of the simplest, most scalable, and proven online business models. I'll show you how it works and why it's still alive and profitable in 2025. You'll learn how to get started without wasting months on trial and error. Stick with me to the end for the one book that changed my business philosophy. So what is dropshipping? In simple terms, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method. You don't keep the products you sell in stock. When a customer places an order, you forward that order to your supplier. Then, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. You aren't handling inventory or packing boxes. You focus on the most profitable side of business: marketing, branding, and customer experience. You only pay for products after sales. This means your financial risk is almost zero. A lot ask, is dropshipping dead? My answer is simple: it's not dead, it has evolved. In 2016, selling cheap phone cases and fidget spinners made many rich. That model is gone. Today, dropshipping is brand-focused, professional, and customer-driven. It still works because online shopping has skyrocketed. E-commerce is a multi-trillion-dollar industry now. Platforms like TikTok, Shopify, and Instagram make it easy to reach buyers worldwide. Truthfully, it's no longer about quick hacks. The winners build trust and treat dropshipping like a real business. Let's clear some myths. Myth 1. Dropshipping is passive income. Reality: it's not. You work on product research, marketing, and customer service. Myth 2. You can sell anything. Reality: product choice is crucial. Choose items with demand, margin, and uniqueness. Myth 3. It's easy money. Reality: it's a business model, not a lottery ticket. Real profits come from skill and consistency, not luck. The good news? Anyone willing to learn and act can succeed in dropshipping. You don't need a degree or $100,000. Just the right mindset and willingness to execute. Now let's get practical. If you want to start dropshipping in 2025, here are the steps. 1. Choose a niche. Don't sell everything. Focus on one target group. 2. Find winning products. Use tools like TikTok Creative Center, Google Trends, or Mania. Look for products that solve problems or trigger emotions. 3. Set up your store. Shopify is popular, but WooCommerce or TikTok Shop work too. Keep your store professional and mobile friendly. 4. Find reliable suppliers. AliExpress is common, but shipping can be slow. Consider CJ Dropshipping or local suppliers for faster delivery. 5. Marketing is lifeblood. Don't wait for organic sales. Invest in TikTok ads, Instagram Reels, and influencer marketing. Master short-form video content to scale fast. 6. Customer service is crucial. Respond quickly, offer fair refunds, and build trust to stand out. Once you've made sales, it's time to scale. Double down on what works. Optimize your ads, focus on successful creatives. Test higher-priced products to boost margins. Use apps like Deezers to automate fulfillment. The key is not launching many products. Instead, find one that works, then build a brand around it. This shifts dropshipping from a side hustle to a real business. Before we wrap up, let's discuss mindset. Most new entrepreneurs fail due to mindset. They overplan, overthink, and wait for the perfect moment that never comes. Read Rework by Jason Fried and David Heinemeier Hansen. This powerful book will flip your thinking. It teaches why starting small is powerful and why action beats planning. Dropshipping is a perfect example. You don't need warehouses or huge capital. You just need to start. If you're serious about building your online business, grab a copy of Rework. Check the link in the description below. Remember, success doesn't come to those who wait. It comes to those who act. Don't delay. Start your journey today.